do you want the things to be in a different color?
No, it's all right. They can all be, but this can be green.
Okay, but because if you want to do the things in a different color, or you want them to have different shapes or something, okay, let me show you a trick. Go to the right where it is the thing a little bit on the top, so where the new text shows up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. So what it shows up in blue, that is a section. Okay, and then the sections contains columns. That is what you see here on the left, a gray thing with a kind of a book.
Mm-hmm.
Or 2 columns. So these are the columns, and inside the columns you have the widgets. Okay, so if you want to have this text that you have the headline widget, you want to make a copy of that, you can go to the right, because I don't see that on the screen, but on the right. Oh, okay, so when you click there, yeah, on the right you don't see. Yeah, there should be something on the right.
Oh, no, there.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you. Okay, so there's edit. Okay. Yeah, so the thing is that, yeah, it explains to you. Meet, right click. So the thing is, if you do right click in the edit button that you have on the right, you have options and you can duplicate. Okay, go ahead and duplicate. Okay, and you have 2 of them. Okay, so if you want to have them separate, then you just delete the part that you don't want from the top and the part that you don't want from the bottom, and then you have to separate. So for example, in the top you can leave release and receive, and then on the second line you can leave a people's wellness retreat.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
okay, so you just edit there, or you can just click on the text and okay, perfect, and you just delete the stuff. Perfect. You can, okay, and yeah.
okay.